Hey, what's up, guys? Chris here at Just One Guy Metalworks. Got one more little thing to do before I can put that lathe bench into service. So, I was going to put my lathe bench in the other side of the shop there, but that floor, she's at least half a bubble off. So what my intentions were, I cut 4 pieces of some plates that I got kicking around here. I'm going to drill those out and weld a nut to the back of that. And I'm going to recess that into the bottom of the feet so it sits nice and flush. And then I got some 1 3/4 cold rolled. Cut some pies off that and drill them out and weld some all thread to it. That way you just turn the feet and should be good. What the hell? What the f over? This is supposedly the best bit I got. It gives me more problems than any of them. Jam it in there. What the f? What a piece of shit. That's an expensive bit. Unbelievable. It's only like an 11/16 drill bit. Shouldn't be that bad to work with, Jesus. I guess no pussyfooting around, just drill it and drive her home. There we go. Stupid. Well, that's one. Maybe. Hang on a sec. Yeah, I'm gonna totally have to turn something down. Yeah, rather than turning that piece down, I'm gonna just take the threads off these one after I cut them. I'll cut them to probably 3 inches or so. Then I'll just turn down 1/2 inch on there, and it'll seat in the pockets real good. They're pretty tight. I might not even need to weld these. There you have it. 4 feet. Now, gotta drill these up, holes in these guys. That's for the drill press. I'll probably take these, deburr these, and before I lose a frickin' finger. And then I'll probably give them a couple tacks with the welder, stick them in the drill press, and just drill them all at once. I'm just gonna tack it in 2 corners, and that's because that's gonna get it grounded off anyway. Chuck gonna stay in there? That's the $1,000,000 question. I'm gonna pilot this. This is a split point drill. I actually just plowed it right through those other pies for the last 3 or whatever. And it was started off a little chattery, but it bored through there pretty quick. But given this is thin plate, yeah, I don't really want to chance it too much. Should attack all fork burns. That's okay. We made it. The hell? Yeah, I honestly thought that those stones would have worked a little bit better. They work good on the hard stuff, not so much on this soft stuff. They just get all gummed up and make a mess. So, we got to take quite a bit off of there, so I kind of, might as well just do it the old-fashioned way. No, at least we'll have a nice round hole after this. Provided we don't kill ourselves yet. Should be okay. Yeah, we'll work on it. Perfect. There we go. All right. Well, that's it for the feet, I guess. Honestly, I kind of forget how to weld properly. Holy cripes. I did a pretty shitty job there. Yeah, I did it for 12 years of my life. You can see how it started out. I started out pretty shitty there. Progressively getting a little bit better. Well, then, yeah, that's right. I got to remember to build up a puddle. and then they started turning out good. So, yeah. Honestly, I forgot so much. It's this is the most welding I've done in 10 years probably. Feels good to make some sparks. Yeah, all that aside, all sparks aside, I gotta make some sawdust now. So what I plan on doing is I'm gonna cut 2 inches off the bottom of these legs. Because honestly, it's a little bit tall. It's sitting at about 38 inches. Now I'm 6'2", so that's actually not bad. But once I add another inch to that, well, it's going to get too long. So I got to nip her off just a bit here. All right, well, they didn't turn out too bad. They are leveling feet, so for a smidge out, it's not going to be too big of a deal. I'm going to mark all the centers on here. All right, so my plan was make a spot deep enough for the nut to fit in, and then just core it out with this. So hopefully that works out. I don't know about this hole saw. Something's not feeling right in there. Well, we'll see. Oh, what's that bit that's loose? Ooh, it's hot. Alright, this part is kind of important to get straight, at least. Yeah, because once that sucker starts hogging, she she's going. And that's enough. And we'll just bust those little chunks out of there, I hope. And that should go just like so, more or less. Perfect. Just got to screw them in. Maybe 4 2-inch wood screws should do the trick. Well, that worked a treat. Alright, well there's a close-up of the hole there. There's your low-profile legs. Not super low profile too, so like, you know, they're only taking up, you know, maybe 3/4 of an inch of extra on your bench. And it should be good and strong too. There you go. Well, that is, oh, that's so much better. Yeah, so yeah, we got a nice level bench. Ready to put that top back on there. All right, and there you have it. Well, that is enough wood ticking for me to last quite a while now. I wish that treatment stuff wasn't there, but what can you do about it? Nothing, I guess. Paint it. I really don't want to paint it. I think it looks good the way it is. Well, all right, folks. Thanks for coming out. I'd like to apologize for any weirdness going on with my channel. It's been really cold here, so I was kind of bored and fiddling around on the computer, and I was going to cull some videos, and I ended up changing my mind, and I put them back to, yeah. So if there's some weirdness going on there, I apologize. And yeah, I'll probably take down that porn video that I put up there. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you guys have a great night. All my hopes and prayers going out to the guys out in Australia, man. Like that's some serious, they're having some serious problems over there. So God be with you guys. I'm not a big praying man, but I'll pray for you guys. All right, you guys have a great night, and peace out.